Hunters in Huaisai delegate their rifle to local authorities because they want to confess wild animals. That's the right thing to do. Yes, there are a way that's preventing the foreign is important because natural foreign are tourist attractions and which bring a good income into the area. Any cost the villager participation. Villager rabbit test in foreign recruiting because they need to for the potent poser. That's a good program. Thank you.